Cool. Good. Good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, that was stupid. These glasses are stupid. Hey, Camcorder. Long time no see. I'm in college now. Means no more film club. And I'm majoring in film, so that's great. But there's a big problem. No one's making a project starring me. Aww. Unbelievable, am I right? So, I've decided to do it myself. Well, not completely myself. I'm gonna have my friend Serena help me, and Emma, and probably some actors. I'm making a project starring me with the camcorder, myself, and that's starting right now. And, oh. So I'm filming this in my bathroom, and I think my roommates want to use it, and I can hear the toilet seat cracking. So, edit, fun transition here, future me, like, yeah, whatever, bye.